This is question number 2, number 3 from section 3.5. It's point 19. We want to find the equation of the line that passes through the 2 points, -3, -1, and 5, -4. We are not given a slope. We are given enough information to find a slope. So I am going to use the slope formula right here to find the slope between these 2 points. So slope equals y2 minus y1, so -4 minus a -1 over x2 minus x1, 5 minus a -3. So in the top, this is -4 minus the -1 is +1. 5 minus a -3 is 5 plus 3. So I get -3 over 8. So the slope of the line is -3/8. Now I'm going to use this point and either one of these two slopes to get our answer. And I don't know, let's just choose this one. No good idea why. So y minus y1, that's our y value. So y minus a -4 is equal to the slope, which is -3/8 times x minus x1, x minus 5. Okay, now I'm going to simplify right here. This is the same as y plus 4. And I got to there. Okay, now the first thing we're asked to do is to put it into slope-intercept form. So I'm going to just deal with the fractions for a second and distribute here. And that's 5 over 1 there. So I have y plus 4 is equal to -3/8 x. A negative times a negative is positive. 3 times 5 is 15. 8 times 1 is 8. Okay. Now to get into slope-intercept form, all I need to do now is to move the 4 over to here. And to do that, I need to subtract 4 from each side. Okay. So you can either use your calculators, which are great, or you will be doing 15/8 minus 4. That's the same as 15/8 minus 4 over 1. Our common denominator is 8, so I'm going to multiply top and bottom here by an 8 as well. So that changes to 15/8 minus 32 over 8. And now that we have a common denominator, you just do 15 minus 32 to get 17. -17, sorry. -17/8. So this is y is equal to -3/8 x minus 17/8. And that's the answer to the first part. I strongly suggest learning how to do fractions on your calculators. For this one, I would do 15/8, that my fraction button's right there. And then I would subtract 4, and it would give me my answer immediately. Okay, so that's the answer to the first part. Now, if we're going to switch this to standard form, the first thing we have to do is to get rid of all of those fractions. So I'm going to multiply every single thing here by an 8. So that is 8y equal to 8 over 1 times -3/8 x minus 8 over 1 times 17/8. Now my 8's cancel, and I get 8y is equal to -3x minus 17. And now to be in standard form, we need the x in the front, so I'm going to move this over to here by adding 3x to both sides. And you get 3x plus 8y is equal to -17. To be in standard form, it has to be in the correct order, and we have that. we have no fractions. The first number is positive. It's reduced because nothing divides evenly into all of this. This would be the second answer. You would have gotten the exact same two answers if you had used this point instead of this point in the formula.